In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can change the maximum number of iterations that Iterative Calcs will go through before it spits out a number. So here we have an example of an initial balance, interest, and adjustment to the interest. And I want to make it to where the calculation will go through more iterations in the hopes that it will produce a more accurate calculation. To do this, I can go to File, then down to Options, and then from here I can go to Formulas, which is right under General. And note the iterative calculation button is checked. And from here, I can adjust the maximum iterations to be what I would like it to be. So let's say instead of 100 iterations, I want the calculations to go through 500 iterations. And then I click OK. And by doing this, hopefully the calculation will be more accurate by going through more iterations. But no, this will require more processing power and will make it take longer for your calculation to ultimately spit out a number. You can also do the opposite thing and reduce the number of iterations by going to File, Options, Formulas, and let's just say I don't want 500 iterations, I want 50 iterations. Click OK. And now the calculation will happen faster, but it might be a bit less accurate. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.